Welcome back. This next video on electric uke playing is about Even Better Than the Real Thing by U2. Yes, it's a stretch. I admit we're getting to the limits of 4 strings in these videos, and you can either say, "Give it up, Ken, and play a guitar like a normal person," or we can have fun making it work. When we have notes that are too low to play, I think we have 4 choices. One is to give up and do a different song. Sometimes it just doesn't work. The second is, if it's a quick note, you might play it as a chord. If you need an F and it's not there, sneak through an F chord. The third choice is to use effects to drop an octave. The fourth is to play an octave higher. On Even Better, I do that. In one phrase, I play an octave up, and it works, and no one goes to jail so far. This is what I'm doing. I'm playing 3 riffs in the song. The first one is only heard at the beginning in the introduction. The second is the main riff, which is heard throughout. The third one is the chorus or bridge riff. It sounds a bit thin, but we'll do the best we can with effects to thicken it. Okay, tune up, let's play.